Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about contouring, how to do it, why to do it, and which products that you can use to do that. So I'm actually going to be using our Caramel Matte Bronzer. This is actually an old bottle of Caramel Matte Bronzer, so this is not what our current containers look like. They look like this, much prettier. And I'm going to be using an angled blush brush. I love this just because of the great angle that it has. And let's talk about contour placement and why to do contouring. So contouring is basically just enhancing the shadows and lines in your face that help to create depth. So I'm going to be applying my contour right here, and then also it can help to make your forehead just look a little bit more proportional if your hairline is a little bit different. And also you can choose to contour your nose and also along your jawline just to accentuate your jawline further. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm just going to apply a little or tap a little bit of this contour powder out into the lid. And then I'm going to take my blush brush and just swirl that in and warm up those minerals. This just really helps to break them down and helps so that they can just melt right onto your skin so beautifully. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and when you're applying contour, something that's really helpful, especially for me, this was helpful. Some people just don't like rules and that's fine. You know, everybody applies their makeup differently, but one thing that I found really helpful was to apply from the middle of my ear down towards my mouth. So that's gonna be like my line, right? But you don't want to go any further than right here, like the outer fourth of your eye. So I like to stop right about the corner of my eye. So I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So I'm going to start here and just work that forward again towards my mouth and not going any further than right here. All right, and then I'm going to also work backwards, back towards my ear, in little circles, and you can see that's just starting to create that shadow. Don't freak out if you get like a really distinct line because that's actually really easy to fix. And a lot of people skip contouring and blush and just apply foundation. And ladies, I just really want to encourage you not to do that, because what you're going to end up with is a face that is really nice and smooth and all one color, but that's not the way that our faces were designed to be. We were designed to have color, and that provides depth and dimension and makes you look alive and vibrant. All right, so again, just blending that back, not going any further than the outside corner of my eye. And then I'm gonna also show you how to contour right here on your chin. So I actually start back behind my ear and start to work my way down. And that does not have to be a dark line. And then on the forehead, I usually like to just go like this. I don't go any further than that. And then the nose, I never contour my nose, but for reference sake, I would just run a little bit right down the corner. The reason that I don't contour my nose is because my nose is already very angled. So I don't want to accentuate it further. All right, so to blend this out, you can take your brush and just blend it out until you're happy with how it looks. Or you can also take a damp beauty sponge and just go over that to soften up those edges so that you don't have a starting and stopping point. And there you have it. I hope you guys found this video really helpful. I know contouring can be intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. And neither does makeup. Makeup can be fun, and the more you play around with it and experiment it, and the more you find your signature look, the funner it's gonna be for you. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.